What do we know?
Okay, let's be really clear about the math here. First of all, why did Elon Musk sell the shares? It's in the regulatory filing. The shares of common stock were sold solely to satisfy the reporting person's tax withholding obligation related to the exercise of stock options. How many stock options? 2.15 million of them priced at $6.24 per option, right? So he has these tax obligations and he's selling 934,000 shares of common stock at a Monday's closing price was what? $1,162.94. Median price of that range slightly lower than that. You come out $1 billion. So that's what we know. Those are the facts of this transaction.
Ed, let's move from the realm of facts into the realm of speculation. Everybody's trying to tap Elon Musk for money at the moment. That Twitter poll we mentioned, 3.5 million people, 58% said, yeah, he should sell some stock and pay his fair share of taxes. And the UN wants $6 billion off him as well. So are we going to see an altruistic side of Elon Musk or not?
Yeah, I left the door open for that one, didn't I? I knew it was coming. So, look, Elon Musk had 170 million Tesla shares, right? This is less than 1 million shares. The Twitter poll said that he'd sell 10% of his stake. If this is what he's doing and he's following through with that promise based on 58% of 3.5 million people voting in favor of that proposal, then he still has quite a lot of stock to sell. 16 million shares or so by my back of the napkin math. You know, what's interesting is the positive aftermarket reaction to this. Shares rising after that filing dropped, even though, you know, often when a supply of shares enter the market, a flood of shares, the opposite is true. The shares currently up 2.25 percentage points in after-hours trading. So we don't know. But there is a timeline here. There's a chronology to what happened. All we can reinforce to the audience is that the filing said he sold those shares of common stock to meet his tax obligation on the options. That's what the regulatory filing says.